Hi guys, and we're gonna play Ratchet and Clank. Okay, let's do a new game. And why don't we just... Yeah, come on. Yeah, okay. I'll just be quiet now. Oh, if it glitches, this game's really old.
Final step, attach robotic ignition system. Thank you for using help desk technology.
Okay guys, did you notice that it glitched a bit?
Welcome to the Gadgetron Help Desk. We are here to offer you help during your interplanetary travels. The Help Desk is a free service provided by Gadgetron.
I don't care. God, why does that girl always have to pop up in video? You have to press square and X to do this stuff. Anyway, as you noticed that it glitched a bit, it repeated. I can't really explain it, but it repeated a lot, whatever. And please, this is a 3-year-old game. I've had it for 3 years. I got it when I was 8. So that must be pretty old then. And it's all scratched and stuff.
You can interrupt help desk.
Yeah. Help me interrupt the help desk by pressing triangle. Yay! Now I can make it shut up. Normally on planets I'm just gonna rush through it to show you where to go and stuff. But this planet I just see bolts. So you get lots of bolts on this planet, so.
That's nanotech.
Yeah. Hey, stupid frog. Where are you, little froggies? Okay. If you didn't know these boxes were here, well, you know now. There's going to be something amazing down here. Which will astonish you. But it's not that. It's this frog doing exercise. Ow. It's doing something. It looks like it's constipated. And it's doing its daily exercises. What should I do? Leave him to do his exercises or kill him? Well, I'm not a mean person, so I'll leave him to do exercises. I'll kill the guy trying to murder him. Oh, he's after me now. I can try. Oh, come on!
The circle button to equip.
Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
You can also use it in
No,
first person by holding
you
down
are
the
dead. Why do we always do this?
Well, I just
I'm just going through these robots. Ah, no! Oh, phew. I thought I was going to die then. And I got astonishingly hit in the first level. I haven't even played this game in ages, so don't blame me, please. Okay, another cutscene. I'll shut up now.
Interesting. You're quite handy with your wrench.
You bet. I built that ship with it.
Currently, I'm in search of someone who could be of assistance in saving the solar system. Do you know where I might find that fellow?
Well, he's on the radio every week. Other than that, no. Hey, what's with all this save the solar system stuff anyway?
Hello, citizens of... My race, the Blog, have a small problem. Our planet has become so polluted, overpopulated, and poisonous that we are no longer able to dwell here. But I, Chairman Drek, have a solution. We are constructing a pristine new world using the choicest planetary components available. So, what does this mean to you, you might ask? Using highly sophisticated technology, which you couldn't possibly understand, we will be extracting a large portion of your planet and adding it to our new one. Unfortunately, this change in mass will cause your planet to spin out of control and drift into the sun, where it will explode into a flaming ball of gas. But, of course, sacrifices must be made. Thank you for your cooperation. And if you don't like it, you can take your whiningly sniveling, snot-nosed populations, form a line behind me, and kiss my... We're still on? Well, turn it off, you idiot!
The people on those planets are hosed. Well, good luck getting Captain Quark to help you.
Actually, you could help me. If you could use your ship to take me to the coordinates contained in this infobot, I might be able to gather further information there.
Even if I wanted to, I can't. I'm missing a crucial component of the ship.
The robotic ignition system.
How did you know that?
I, sir, happen to be equipped with the latest in robotic ignition systems. My programming allows me to start any ship I choose.
So, I agree to take you to this, wherever it is, and you get my ship started for me?
That is what I'm proposing.
Deal.
This could be a problem. Take care of it.
Whoa, this is great! So that's where I've been stuck this whole time.
Please return your appendages to the steering mechanism, sir.
Huh? Oh, right. Sorry. Oh, and by the way, you can stop calling me sir. The name's Ratchet.
Pleased to make your acquaintance, sir.
You got a name?
My serial number is V54296.
Oops. I'll just call you Clank for short. Hang on.
So you see, it would be most beneficial if your citizens were not in the city when my workers begin removing it.
Preposterous! I will not stand for this.
Unfortunately, you have no choice in the matter.
Let's just see what Captain Quark has to say about that, my good man. I don't see what's so funny. Captain Quark could dispatch you without even breaking a sweat, you puny.
You have now officially worn out your welcome and my patience.
This is your last chance. Stop this madness now!
Okay, wait. You're right. I will withdraw my troops.
Really?
No! He's all yours, gentlemen. Try not to leave any marks.
Clank? Where are you? Oh, sorry about that. Well, we're not leaving the way we came in.
Perhaps we could procure a ship from one of the inhabitants.
If there are any left.
Okay, we're gonna finish off now. So, see you later.